Let's go ahead and jump into my website. Hello quarantine people, so today we're going to talk about web and present to you my new website for my portfolio for getting or attracting clients here and there. So let's go to Google actually, google.com, and we're going to search for my website. So you can always go to AdoboMix.com, but if you have a hard time, you just type in AdoboMix Creative. That's how you spell it. And then you can just search it and see I'm searchable. So I index it at Google jumping in. So I did a prototype. I used Adobe XD to set this up, and dozens of inspirations from different portfolio website on Behance. So if you go to Behance, let me just show you. Behance. You can go to web design, and you can have all the inspiration here. It's pretty limitless. Be careful because these websites are very sophisticated. It has a lot of back end and front end. But if you're just starting out, make it simple and as long as the branding is there, consistency and all that, easy to read, and you don't have to think when you go to your website. It needs to be less cluttered. Yeah, so let's start. So my website right here, it's pretty basic. It's not, you don't have to think when you go here. So I have my avatar / logo here. I have the navigation. This is the navigation. It's going to be there. Actually not. I'm surprised it's not, but you can put it as a sticky or stick on top. There's like a code, or you can put it on, because I'm actually before I go ahead, I'm actually using WordPress to build this because it's just the easier way, and I use Elementor to build a landing page is like a message, right? So this is the title. I design and build visual. I put just welcoming, and it has the accent color just to give it more visual interest. Put my email here, but it's not the priority, and put my name because I love my name. But these are all my skill set. That is very important if you're so make sure that, I think for a web design, for a landing page, you need to not just the entire screen, you have to divide it so people know that there's more to come right here. Otherwise, it's not intuitive for the user. So put half maybe, and then half would be something else, so they know that they have to scroll down. So for here, you just have to show your best work on the second half. So you can put a little bit of stuff right here that, this is pretty common. This should look good. It should do good as well. It's like user experience as well. And you can put some bullet points right here. Make sure that it's not long, because recruiters has a very small attention span, so you want to make sure that I just put it like bulleted so they can just scan, because people now don't read, they just scan. So you just put your artwork right here. I have a link for my portfolio if they wanted to go, and you have to do I also put the companies I work with in because I also work while I was studying graphic design, so I do have a couple of proof that I work with real clients. And lastly, it's just to remind them that if you want to see my work, I have my work right here, so they can click that. For the footer, it's just my Behance, my email here if they want to contact me for commission work or, you know, collaboration, which I do like. If you want me to collaborate with you, I have a YouTube channel here, LinkedIn, social media professional. So this is just a video of me. I actually got the video from my YouTube channel, so you can just link it right here, just to be more interesting and visually, you know, catch attention, just like this first half of the landing page. So this portfolio link right here and this here is pretty much the same. So let's click that, and it gives you my portfolio pages. Page. You can put a tagline right here, like a not tagline but title. I do have a certain style that it's is actually repeating throughout the pages. So I do have the accent color here. I do have a banner. It's actually a video banner from my YouTube channel, so I just link it right here. And the main color, it's gonna be this purple. Let's go jump down, scroll down. So I do have one of the work that I'm working on right now. So this is another one, is still a concept and a little bit of project here and there previously. And as you can see, it's very consistent, so it's all aligned well and have this accent color right here. This is actually a button, but you know, I just want to make it a little bit out of the trend. So I think it's over it. It's actually having this a little bit of an ease out animation like all of them, so it's consistent. Let's go to one of the pages. So if you click each one of them, they have the similar theme. So let's go here. You will see that I have half of it is going to be like a banner, and I have a picture right here. Well, when it's clicked, so you won't confuse the user or you know, the one that looking on the website. So you still have that sense of familiarity and, you know, not confused. So you have a little bit of choices right here. It's just a title and subtitle. You can visit the live website if you want to, but if you want, you can also read what's in here. So the project is the website, the client, and the goal. You know, you can read that, but I guess you don't care. I mean, I don't care. So these are the pages that I created and designed. And if you go right down, you will see the result, the software that I use. So I did use Adobe XD and all other creative tools. And if you go down a little bit more, you can see that there's other projects. So it's kind of a loop if you want to see more of my projects, so you don't have any choice. But you do have. So if you want to click this project right here, you can always go and let's actually visit the website. So this is the one that I'm working on at the moment. It's actually almost finished. It's an e-commerce website, so they can go and check what's in here. It has a shop. There's like a chat box right here. They could pay, they could log in and all that. So it's it was open in a new window, so you can always go back to the main page and portfolio again. So let's just click one more thing just to show you how consistent it is. And yeah, have this page right here, like a banner. They can visit the website and all that. I have the client, the goal, and if you go down right here, I have the results, tools I used, and another project if they want to dig into all of my portfolio work and so on. Let's go to contact this contact page is pretty simple. Just put pretty much the same, like a theme, a video header, not a header, but like a page banner, and a little bit of title right there, and the map of where I am located, and a little bit of a reminder that I have an email, have a social media presence as well. So if they want to contact me there, they could. And the about page, which is all about me. So if you want, you could put your story, your passion of design. I put just one picture right here. And your workflow, it's pretty important to put your workflow. And your productivity, you can put all the software you've been using. And that's pretty much it. So this is, I created this for about maybe 2 to 3 weeks. I have a couple of changes I made throughout, but it's not a complicated page compared to if I'm doing an e-commerce or, you know, a real website for a client. Because I'm designing for myself, I have the full creativity decision. And yes, for the next video, it's gonna be, I'm gonna show you how I did it page by page. So I'll be using WordPress, Elementor. Those are free tools to start your website, but there's also like a pro, which is if you want to make or the workflow a little bit fluid, you can get the pro, but otherwise free. I use this versus free version. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, can you please give me a thumbs up and comment down below if you want to see more of this content or if you have suggestions and all that. I'll see you guys soon and talk to you later. Thank you. Bye bye.